नाजरीन, इस वीडियो में हम पैडागोजी के हवाले से एमसीक्यूज़ का ये 7वां पार्ट है, तो इसको हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डैश इज़ अ टीचर सेंटर्ड मॉडल दैट फोकसेस ऑन स्टूडेंट्स एक्टिविटीज़ बीइंग गाइडेड बाय द टीचर। इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, direct model. Next question. Any method of teaching which involves two or more students can be termed as dash question mark. Its answer is option B, group work. Next question. The technique in which the students act out roles from stories or historical events is termed as. Its answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. On way to maximize teaching time, shorten delay due to transition, and focus on students' behavior is used to establish dash in the classrooms. Its answer is option C, routines. Next question. Dash is pair activity in which students have exactly 30 seconds to share all the known. Its answer is option A, quick talk. Next question. The curriculum should be introduced dash question mark. Its answer is option C, gradually. Next question. Curriculum revision should be an dash process. Its answer is option B, continuous. Next question. Robert Sternberg, a famous psychologist, argued that creativity requires dash different types of intelligence. Its answer is option A, 3. Next question. Evaluation of the process of curriculum development should be made dash question mark. Its answer is option B, continuously. And the last question today video, the term heuristic means dash in decision making. Its answer is option D, mental shortcuts. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।